Welcome to Waimea Group's People Profile. We're in the assembly workshop today and we're going to introduce you to one of the team.
G'day, I'm Bennie. I run the auto electrical team at Waimea Group. We're currently working on a Dongay DHT 150 AS. We've incorporated the smart PTO into the system. It's basically a hybrid PTO system which reduces emissions and fuel cost savings for the customers. That system would run for 6 to 8 hours. We've also incorporated a smart truck system into the vehicle, which is a basic touchscreen system, which gives the driver full functionality of the vehicle from in the cab. There is other functions that we are still in the process of developing on the vehicle, all to give the customers a Waimea Group experience, which they can't receive from anywhere else. Day to day, it's preparing the wiring looms for the trucks, structuring the work for the guys. Yes, I'm a subject matter expert on the product development team. We're currently improving our systems to provide the best service to the customers and the least amount of downtime. That gives the operator the functionality to turn on the PTO, turn on the work lights, flashes, inverter. It's got a couple of extra functions that we're still in the process of developing. Complete control from the cab, yes. Reduces our installation time, which makes the build more profitable and gives the driver a better experience. Just a variety of work during the day, getting the guys structured, like we're doing the ARB trucks and the variety of the vacuum trucks that we do. All the builds have got their own challenges, which makes it really interesting.